Did you realise that Scotland's capital and America's capital are linked by this historic book? You'll find it in the Old Town, in one of the most unique Masonic lodges in the world. Pretty interesting, eh? It turns out that in 1793, a Falkirk-born man who'd been successful in America was coming home for a trip. The recently rebellious 13 colonies had just started a new country, and they wanted top-notch stonemasons to build a house for their president. Where would they find top-notch craftsmen? In the very place that had been building the Georgian neoclassical paradise of Edinburgh Newtown. And it's because of these Edinburgh men that Washington's building is called the White House. If you want to know more, then watch my full YouTube video on Scotland History Tours. Click the link.